Good morning and welcome to another video. One of the things I wanted to go over, I say one of the things a lot. Many of the things that I wanted to go over are just some of the things that I ran into starting an exercise program. What I found useful, what I didn't find useful, and this could change over time. I mean, I'm pretty new at this. I've been looking into it for a long time and did try working out before, or did work out before, but I'm continuing to learn and continuing to grow. A lot of places, a lot of people sell programs, right? And they sell full body workout programs and have all kinds of different exercises that'll give you a total body workout, and they work, especially when you're first starting out. But if you want to do barbell exercises and you're looking for some sort of program that will do your whole body, you can't go wrong with starting Strength by Mark Rippetoe. It goes over 4 basic movements, 5 actually, but I use 4. I don't use the snatch. But there's the overhead press, bench press, deadlift, and then the squat. And if you do those 4 movements, if you have a barbell and that's what you're looking to do, you do those 4 movements, especially if you're new, those are going to give you a complete full body workout. I'll go over in the rest of the video my workout scheme, show some clips of me doing the exercise, but right at the front end, that's it. If you do those 4, you're going to have everything. Now, does that mean that there's no other exercises that you should do or that you could add later on? No, that's not what that means. It means that when you're starting out, there are some basic movements that if you master those, you can continue to move a lot of weight, you can continue to grow, you can continue to get a full body workout just with those 4 movements. And there are all kinds of extra things you can add later on depending on what you're looking to accomplish or what you're looking to do. But that depends on what you want to do. If you just want a simple, easy, quick exercise program, you can put these 4 compound movements together using lighter weight and do them 3 days a week, and you'll increase your general health and strength. You'll be all set. If you want to follow the full program that I'm using, which is a little variation of that, I put a link in the description for the Excel document that I'm using, and it's got all the exercises that I'm doing. That's free. You guys can click on that and take it if you want. But help me out. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it if you want. Subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And let's get to the exercises. See you in a minute. All right, so you've got your deadlift, which works all of these muscles. As you can see, this covers a whole lot, and one that they always seem to miss is that it includes grip strength. Deadlift definitely improves your grip strength. Now your overhead press or your military press works a ton of the upper body muscles, as you can see here. Clearly it doesn't work a lot on the pecs, which is why you do the bench press. I'll show you that in a minute and what muscles that works as well. And for the squats, as you can see in this graphic here, the squats work all of the lower body muscles. You're looking at your hamstrings, your glutes, your quads, works your calves. Squat is just an incredible exercise. Plus, I have no idea how many additional stabilizing muscles it works, but it definitely feels like a lot of the rest of the body, including the core, is definitely worked in stabilizing the bar and keeping yourself tight while you perform the movement. And lastly, as you can see on this graphic here, the bench press works the rest of your upper body muscles that your overhead press doesn't get. So it really, truly covers a full body workout. And putting these back to back, if you use lighter load than what you would be used to, if you're just starting out, I would go maybe 30% of your 1 rep max to do this as a circuit, maybe 20%. You could do it as a circuit, do 3 times through, minimum rest in between each, or you could do each set, sets of squat, sets of deadlift, squat, sets of bench press, sets of overhead press, not necessarily in that order. I would go deadlift, then overhead press, then squat, then bench. But you can do sets of each, and then finish off with one exercise before you move on to the next one. Or you can, down below in the description, I'll leave a link for Mark Ripto's book, Starting Strength. Check it out. That develops a whole program for you, and it's really good for following and really great for beginners. All right, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Share this out. Join the challenge, 7 days transformation. See where I'm at when I'm done. Talk to you later.